This video chart presentation of Mainland Resources brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Mainland is a NASDAQ bulletin board company trading our ticker MNLU. You can tell just from the top look at this classic bottom play. RSI is trying to come up out of oversold. Candles look like they're trying to form a base. We'll throw a line on this in a second. Looks like it's somewhere right around this old resistance level. Classic TA, you want that resistance level to turn into a support level. Trying to make a move. You can see 3 out of the last 4 days closed up. So we'll take a look at these other indicators, see what they're telling us. See this MACD histogram making some higher lows, starting to trend back towards zero, tell us a bullish cross could be coming. So we're looking for the break of that signal line right through there and see if this is going to try and put together a new uptrend, break out of this downtrend that it's been in. Very similar look to the PPO. It's a very loose pinch. It's not a bad reversal position, but again, the ADX is only around 36. The PPO is only just around 12.5, so it's not a very deep pinch at all. But it's something worth keeping an eye on because it is still a pincher formation. See it form back through here. Again, very loose. This is the type of thing we always say go check it and see how it did, see if there's any reliability to it. And you can see loose pinch, and it got itself a little bounce. Around 37 cents up to around 48 cents. Certainly nothing to complain about from a percentage standpoint. And you can see that trend back towards zero. Commonalities that we talk about all the time. Look for the pinch, look for the PPO, trend back towards zero. And there goes the price per share. So again, through here, this isn't always a one-day play. You look for a bounce to start to happen. You look for the reversal in trend of the PPO and the trend back towards zero. It's for that reason that this goes on the watch list. You start to see how it performs over the next couple months. Again, classic bottom look to the MFIs, all buried in oversold territory, making their turns. 7 coming back up through 20 at this point. Accumulation distributions actually held pretty well, kind of in a channel. Same things. Look for that bottom side of that channel to hold right through there. Look for an uptrend to start tapping by breaking through these old highs. Shaky money flow looking like it's going to try and start to trend back towards zero. Right now, selling pressure is dominant, but each time it makes a lower low, buying pressure is coming back into it. CCI trending back towards zero, just now giving that break a negative 100. That's what bottom feeders will look for. It'll be a hold unless it breaks right back down through negative 100. Full stow just not getting a ton from. You can see clearly in a strong downtrend, trying to make its way back through 20. You know from previous charts you don't put a ton of faith into it just because it's an oversold territory. We want to see it break through 20. Get through this little downtrend, start to make a move back towards 50. Tricks, it's lagging, just not going to get anything from it at this point. It's too slow of a mover. Just going to look for it over the next few weeks, try and make its turn, give a bullish cross to the signal line. RSIs, though, do have a nice look to them. 7 and 14 look like they're going to make their way back out of oversold territory. This chart really comes down to that loose pinch playing itself out. And again, I thought that was pretty close to a support level. You can see old resistance, made the breakout, another breakout after that. Great move. Going to want to see that 35.5 cent mark hold. Want to see that be a strong support. If it doesn't, odds are certainly increased. It could come down here and test this bottom again around 28 cents. But right now we're looking for that turn. Look for it, try and get its bounce on first and foremost. Going to run into some resistance right around this area, around 45 cents. See, touched it. It was a pretty decent support level right through here. It was an old resistance level. Really a classic kind of cup and handle look to it right there. There's your cup. There's your handle. There's your takeoff. But anyway, here in the immediate time frame, look for that area to be resistance. Pretty nice gains from where it is. See, it's closed at 39 cents on Friday. 226,000 shares. I'd like to see the volume start to pick up a little bit. Slowing down through here is okay. It might mean that it's actually running out of sellers. What you really want to see is the volume turn its way back up and start to show that there's some buying pressure coming in. So let's look for some blue bars to show some strength to this. A little bit further up the road, look for some resistance. More resistance come in right around that 200-day moving average. See, it's pretty tight right through here, 48 cents, all the way up to about 50 cents. Going to be much more stout if it gets up to 56. That was the breakout point through here. But again, that's down the road. We're baby stepping our way through things, and that means hold this support level. Go up here and challenge this first resistance level, see how it reacts to the 200-day moving average, things like that. Volume, support, resistance. Those are the things I'll have my eye on, and we'll see where this chart goes. As always, annotated video chart is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. Do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.